Nihilus makes it super easy to send your first email in 5 minutes or less. This video will show you how it works with Node.js, but we also have SDKs for all the other languages you see here. Here's how it works. Your app sends a post request to the send endpoint of the Nihilus communications platform. Then, the Nihilus sync engine creates the draft in a connected user account and sends it to its intended recipients. Let's get started. First, we need to authenticate an account to our Nihilus app. In the Nihilus dashboard, click Accounts, then Auth Account. This will take you to the Nihilus Hosted Auth service, which will prompt you to log in with your email account. After you've logged in, copy the access token that is displayed at the top of the page. We'll need it later. You'll also need the client ID and the client secret found in the dashboard for your Nihilus app. By the way, I'm using a Gmail account, and I've already configured my Nihilus app to integrate with the Gmail API. If you want to connect a Gmail account, head over to the Application Settings page for your app. This page lets you configure settings and do things like connecting your Nihilus app to the Google OAuth API. Head over to the terminal and install the Nihilus Node SDK with npm install Nihilus. Once that finishes, create a new JavaScript file. I'm naming mine send-email.js. Open the file in your editor of choice. I'm using Visual Studio Code. The script will start by importing the Nihilus module and configuring it to use the client ID and client secret for our Nihilus app. I've saved these as environment variables to make them more secure. Then we'll create a Nihilus client object that connects to Nihilus using the access token for our email account. Now we'll use our Nihilus object to create a new email draft. This draft object has all the functionality you'd expect from an email draft, including the ability to assign the subject, body, and recipients. I'm going to set my subject to one email API to rule them all, and the body to keep it secret, keep it safe, or share it with your friends. You can also use an HTML file for the body content if you so desire. Next, I'll set the recipients for this email, which is a list of dictionary objects that contain values for names and emails. I'll set the name to my Nihilus friend, and the email address to swag@nihilus.com. Finally, it's time to send our email with the draft.send function, and we'll print the sent email to the console. Head over to the terminal and run the script with node send-email.js, and that's it. Our email has been sent, and we can see the email in the console. If I head over to my connected email account, I'll find my email sitting in the sent folder. We can see that it has all of the expected content, such as the subject and body, and has been sent to our intended recipients. If you forget anything you learned here, head over to the Nihilus docs at nihilus.com/docs and click on Tutorials. Here, you'll find this and many other tutorials that explain how to get the most out of the Nihilus communications platform. Let Nihilus power your next email, calendar, and contacts integration. Thanks for watching our video.